Tom is moving to a new city for a new job. On his very first day, he takes the wrong train, and it changes everything.
It was my first morning in Bristol. New flat, new job, new everything. I was nervous, so of course I got on the wrong train, going in completely the wrong direction. I could have panicked. Instead, I got off at the next stop and decided to walk back. That's when I saw a small cafe I hadn't noticed on the map, tucked between two shops. I went in, more out of curiosity than hunger. The owner, an older man called Frank, started chatting to me while I waited for my coffee. He mentioned he was looking for someone to help redesign his website. I mentioned I was a freelance designer. We exchanged numbers. That cafe became my regular spot every Friday morning for the next 2 years, and Frank became one of my closest friends in the city. I still wonder sometimes, if I'd taken the right train that day, would any of that have happened?
Si vous bloquez pour parler en anglais, j'ai un mini-guide offert pour vous aider à arrêter de traduire dans votre tête. Le lien est juste dans la description. Cliquez pour le télécharger gratuitement et commencez à débloquer votre oral.